Okay, well, it's kind of cold outside right now, so I guess I can do a bike check. I will do a bike check. It's a 2010 Eastern Growler. Got it back in February, so it's pretty broken in, I guess. It's pretty much all stock, except for the back inner tube and the chain. Back inner back inner tube actually exploded just while I was around. I don't know what was with it. It was one of the ones that came with the bike, I guess. Yeah, it exploded. Sounded like a gunshot. And the chain is a Shadow Conspiracy Interlock 2. Yeah, 2 in red. Just to match the wheels. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, when I get some more money, I'm gonna get new seat and pedals and sprocket and stem and headset and grips and handlebars if I can get them. So yeah, might be some riding if it isn't too cold. All right, yeah, it's probably gonna suck. I haven't ridden in forever. It's been cold, raining, or snowing. So yeah. I got the camera sitting on a trash can. It's working alright, I guess.